Today is the WRTV Storm Team Alert Day. Good Wednesday to you. I'm WRTV meteorologist Todd Clausen. As we go throughout the day today, you're going to notice a couple things. The wind is going to kick up, and that's why a wind advisory is in effect for the entire area for gusts over 40 miles per hour. Severe storm is possible today from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. with the main impacts being gusty winds and an isolated tornado. Now, the good news is it's a warm day for us. A far cry from where we were the past 2 days as temperatures go back up into the 70s. Courtesy of these southerly winds, but again, they gust up to about 40 miles per hour this afternoon. And then as the front comes through, the winds could be even stronger with some thunderstorms. And then eventually the winds will subside tomorrow, but they change direction, and that's going to bring in cooler temperatures. The biggest storm threat is south of us for the widespread tornado activity. But if you're in the slight risk there from Terre Haute to Bloomington and points to the south, there's the chance of an isolated tornado, marginal risk for everybody else. Storms will roll into western locations between 4 and 5 o'clock and then sweep across the state. The severe threat ends, as I mentioned, by the time we get to about 10 o'clock, and then just some scattered showers continue off and on as we work our way into the day. Tomorrow, it's cooler through the weekend with highs back in the 40s and 50s, but we return to the 60s for Monday and Tuesday.